Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. In this issue we look at the defense to criminal and municipal court charges. Too often lawyers throw up their hands when a client presents a complaint involving drug possession, driving while suspended, DWI, or assault. While defense of criminal court charges involving serious motor vehicle charges becomes an involved process, there are sometimes defenses arguments to achieve a successful result. What happens when the person meets with the attorney? We advise potential clients to bring in a copy of the complaint, all their papers in connection with their case, an accident report if it exists, and any documents they receive from the Motor Vehicle Commission. Oftentimes I'll instruct them to write a confidential narrative if the case is fact specific or involves a great deal of facts such as an assault case. When the client's first in the office, we have them fill out a confidential interview form. We obtain background information such as the day of the arrest, other persons arrested, other witnesses, statements they gave to the police, their occupation, and prior criminal convictions and motor vehicle convictions. Our interview sheet also asks if there's anything else important, such as a medical condition that may affect their case. This form helps us also determine whether or not we have a client that will cooperate and work with our office. Once we review the forms, we'll look at the statute book and discuss what some of the possible defenses are to the charge. Next, retaining an attorney. Rule 1:11-2 of the Rules of Professional Conduct indicate that an attorney should provide something in writing setting forth the fees for new clients. In Kenneth Vercammen's office, we provide all our clients with written information on fees, plus how to appear in court, information on points, and information on substance abuse if necessary. Once we're retained, we send out a letter of representation to the court, and if it involves a criminal matter or serious motor vehicle matter, a discovery letter to the prosecutor. It's also sometimes helpful to know who the prosecutor and who the judge is. Some judges and prosecutors are tougher than others. In traffic matters, we recommend clients obtain a motor vehicle abstract from the Motor Vehicle Commission. Usually it's a nominal fee of about $10. We also recommend our clients begin to write up 10 to 15 reasons why they should not go to jail or why the court should not impose the maximum penalties. Post-interview work. Some states have programs where first-time offenders can apply and be on a probation program without there be a guilty plea. In drug offenses in New Jersey, that's called conditional discharge. Sometimes we have matters that are more complicated. That's why it's important to obtain the police reports. That's called discovery. If there are witnesses, we occasionally write to the witnesses or have an investigator speak to the witness. Next, preparing for court. Let's see, if there's an accident, the client should go, or an arrest, and there's facts in the suppression motion, the person accused should go back to the scene of the arrest, look at the scene. It'll help them refresh their recollection. Certain matters cannot be plea bargained in some states. For example, in New Jersey, DWI and most drug offenses can't be plea bargained in municipal courts. Therefore, you either have a trial and win, you have a trial and lose, or you plead guilty. Occasionally, if the state can't prove their case, the prosecutor will agree to a dismissal if they have no facts to prove their case. If there are witnesses, it's important that there be a subpoena prepared and served on the witness to appear. That involves additional fees that the client has to pay. It's a good idea to call the court before the hearing date just to confirm that the case has not been adjourned. Whether or not there's a trial or not, don't wait until the last minute before hiring experienced attorneys. For criminal defense and serious traffic matters, contact the law office of Kenneth Vercammen, 732-572-0500, also at 1-800-NJ-LAWS-7. located at 2053 Woodbridge Avenue, Edison, New Jersey, 08817. On the web at www.njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com, or benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. Thank you and good luck.